Hello, today we will see a progress video of a patient with stroke. The patient came to physiotherapy department with complaint of not doing physical activity independently after stroke. After examination, physiotherapist evaluated his few barriers towards his recovery. The first one was hyperactive quadricep muscle and inactive hip extensors causing a hyperextension in knee joint. Second barrier. Patient was not able to put weight on affected side and had difficulty transferring from chair. Third problem was decreased dorsiflexion of foot causing a slap gait. The first problem was difficulty transferring, so the physiotherapist made a technique called segmental blocking technique, in which he divided the movements in segments, instructing the patient to first lean forward, then tighten your adductors and then try standing. After many repetition and failure, patient was able to stand with slight support. Then the second barrier was poor weight shifting on unaffected limb. To manage this, physiotherapist started balancing exercise by alternative weight shifting on both legs. Side stepping activity was also added to challenge the patient, but with support. In order to improve synchronization of muscle, bilateral knee bending exercise with support was added. In order to maintain the gains and improvements, a precise home plan including different bed activities was added, including single leg raises, weighted leg raises, adductor strengthening activities. In order to reduce hyperextension, weighted heel slides with slow rate was added to build control of muscles. A wedge was used to aid the movement. After 4 to 5 sessions, patient had developed the ability to transfer and stand under supervision. Patient progression was he had developed independent and safe walking. Patient achieved multidirectional ambulation including front walk, back walk and side-to-side walking safely. His ability to dorsiflex was also increased.